एक सबसे बड़ी समस्या हमारे सामने हुई है और वो है हाइपरटेंशन की।
Unhealthy rise in the blood pressure levels.
Hypertension, high blood pressure.
If your blood pressure is higher than 130/90, immediately consult a doctor.
Hey guys, hope you are having a great time. I want to take some time and explain you about a specific medical topic that has been making headlines all across the news nowadays. It's a medical issue that affects 22 out of 100 individuals worldwide. Hypertension. Before we start talking about what hypertension is, let's talk a little about basic anatomy. The human body has a heart. The heart has two ventricles, left and right. The left ventricle is the strongest ventricle, and that part of the heart squeezes and pumps blood to the rest of the body. Arteries take blood and allows to travel away from the heart. When you measure the blood pressure, all you are doing is measuring the pressure on the arterial walls. Three factors that plays a major role in this pressure are: first, cardiac output, that is, how much blood your heart pumps out with each beat. Second, blood volume. Third, resistance that your heart has to pump against. Device called the sphygmomanometer. This device works by constricting the arteries within your arm. When the cuff's pressure equals the arterial systolic pressure, blood begins to flow past the cuff, creating blood flow in stable and the audible sounds. So when we measure the numbers, they are written in fraction like 120/80. Top number is called systolic blood pressure, which is the pressure during the maximum contraction of your heart. Bottom number is called the diastolic blood pressure, when your heart muscle is between the beats, basically relaxation. So basically, what is hypertension? It's a condition in which a force of blood against the artery walls is too high. Risk factors, which damages the blood vessels, increases the risk of heart, kidney diseases and the stroke. That is why it is known as silent killer. What causes hypertension? High salt diet, overweight, high alcohol consumption, lack of physical activity, unbalanced diet, family history, age, smoking. 90% of the cases caused due to poor intake of diet, lack of exercise and bad habits. Having controlled blood pressure decreases the risk of dying by 25% and lowers the risk of heart disease by 30%. So how can we control? Lifestyle changes in order to lower BP naturally. First, diet. Follow DASH diet, that is, dietary approaches stopping hypertension. Increase fruits, vegetables and greens. Decrease sweetened beverages, fats and oil. Decrease sodium or salt up to 1500 mg per day only. Alcohol for men less than or equal to 2 servings per day. For women less than or equal to 1 serving per day. Whole grains 6 to 8 servings a day. Vegetables, fruits 4 to 5 servings a day. Milk products 2 to 3 servings per day. Lean meats, fish less than 6 servings. Nuts, seeds and beans 4 to 5 servings. Sweets less than 5 servings per week. Avoid red meats. Second, exercise, very important, includes resistance training with weights, stretching, yoga, aerobic exercise. Aerobic includes swim, jog, walk, etc. 30 minutes per day for 5 days a week. BMI, body mass index, measure of a body fat based on the height and a weight of a person. From 18.5 to 25, it's an healthy one. If it's more than 25, it's dangerous and critical. Fourth, quit smoking. This lifestyle modification will help you to control your blood pressure. So always think in terms of prevention rather than cure. So follow this lifestyle to live a healthy life. So now let's talk about guidelines. First, elevated hypertension 120 to 129 upon less than 80 mmHg. Stage 1 is 130 to 139 upon 80/89 mmHg. Stage 2 more than or equal to 140 upon more than or equal to 90 mmHg. In stage 2 is the point where we can start to consider pharmacological approach in addition to lifestyle changes. Pharmacological treatment includes medications like ACE inhibitors, diuretics, calcium channel blockers, vasodilators and others which are prescribed by the physician. So take your medicine at a proper time and make a proper lifestyle plan to decrease your blood pressure. Out of 100 individuals, 22 have hypertension. Only 4 have their BP control. React now, check your blood pressure and follow the advices.